How to get 70% off Nike coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Nike coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website, and this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Nike. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 40% off, $50 off, 70% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at Nike. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Nike. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Nike. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily get up to 70% off Nike working coupon codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.